guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. A lot of people have been asking me what I do with my skin, the glow and all that kind of stuff. So that's the most requested video or information content on my platforms. And just to let you know, I've got dry skins. Forgive my speech, I've got kind of a sore throat and I'm swollen a little bit here, so forgive my speech. I'm not going to be able to open my mouth that wide. When I wash my face, I don't use anything on my, I don't use a towel, I don't use a scrub. I just wash my face with soap and water. So I put soap in my palm and then I apply it all over my face and then rinse it out. If I feel as if I should go over it again, then I also put some more soap, or lather some soap in my palms, and then I apply it on my face and then rinse it straight afterwards. The products that I use, I'm gonna put here just now. Most often I use shea butter soap because it is very gentle to my skin. I also use black soap as well, and when I use black soap, I am exfoliating. Dove is also gentle to my skin, so I use Dove. And then when it comes to moisturizing, you guys, I've been on the lookout for a moisturizing lotion and a face cream that doesn't leave my skin ashy because I've got dry skin, but also that actually works on my skin. So this is what I've been using for over a year. You guys have been crazy over my skin for a year now, but this is what I have been using. I love tea, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be sipping on some tea, and let me just put this tea here. As I was saying, I've been on the lookout for a face cream and also a lotion because for a long time, even when I was in high school, in primary school, I would put lotion on my skin and then after some time it would look as if I didn't apply anything. So I used to go around with a hand cream when I could afford it, so that I can apply it as and when necessary along the way. So as much as I know that there are some people who've got dry skin just like mine, I was solving my problem. And when I was trying to solve my problem, that's when I get friends and family and customers to try it, and people love this, you guys. This is the bomb, and I love it as well. It's for dry skin, and the actives in here are specific for dry skin. So here's actual picture here. I can't get it focused, so yeah, better put it there. So this is Shea Skincare Hand and Body Lotion, and then this is the face cream. So the main ingredient obviously in here is shea butter, but it also has tea tree oil, and then because it's an antiviral and antibacterial, so it keeps the skin very fresh and healthy. It also has vitamin B5 and vitamin E. So yeah, it's all the goodness in this lotion. So it comes like this, and you see. So you don't need a lot of this. So I just apply a little bit. Smooth it on the face nicely. I think I actually applied too much. But can you see the glow already? And I don't wear makeup every day. I also think that not wearing makeup every day helps with keeping your skin clear and also giving it a nice healthy glow. So I don't wear makeup every day, so this is my everyday face. So for my skin, I've got very dry skin, especially on my hands. Can you see how ashy it is? Can you see? I am so ashy. I am so dry when it comes to the rest of my body. This year comes to the rescue. So it's in a pump bottle. Can you see how it comes out? There we go. So yeah, and this is so moisturizing. It glides past your skin like a dream. I know, it took me a while. I'm telling you, the other formulation that I did at first, my son was like, it's pulling my skin. Of course, I had overdone it on the shea butter and it was quite pulling on the skin. You can see how moisturized my hands are. Oh, my arms. Okay, so some of the things that I do, let me just close this. Some of the things that I do when it comes to my skincare routine, it's not actually part of the routine, it's part of a lifestyle. So I don't put sugar in my tea, in my coffee, and that also just reduces the amount of breakouts that I can get. And also I have noticed that it gives me a brighter skin. I don't band. I tried it, maybe I'll try it again, but I don't band. So I just make sure that I make wiser choices when it comes to my food. So I will not eat a lot of rice. I don't eat mainly processed carbs. I try and limit on the carbs, and then also increase on the vegetables and the protein. I don't eat a lot of fat as well, but yeah. So I just try to, you know, make a balance when it comes to food choices. And then the other thing is exercise. I exercise quite a bit. Not a lot. I try and go for a walk or a run 4 times a week. Sometimes I can only make 3, but I also do home exercise. I haven't been to the gym since the lockdown, the first lockdown, but most probably I'll be going there very soon. So yeah, I exercise. And then the other thing is I drink a lot of water. Like, oh my goodness, I drink about 2 liters of water a day, and I've seen that it also helps my skin to glow very nicely. I've got dry skin, and I try and work around that to make sure that I still have beautiful skin at the end of the day. They say you should take care of your skin. Those are the clothes that you wear all your life. So so yeah, I try and take care of my skin. So thank you so much for watching. If there are any videos that you want me to do about anything, let me know in the comments section below, and I will try and schedule that for you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel, any content that I post on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.